New just listed home, 12200 Putter Green Court, Newport Richey, Florida, by Christy W. Demirakis from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa with 1,719 heated square feet offers comfort and convenience. Step inside this charming residence in the gated Summertree Golf Course community and notice the beautiful laminate and tile floors that flow throughout. The tour begins in the open living area before moving into a spacious kitchen equipped with plenty of cabinets and a walk-in pantry. This home features a split-bedroom floor plan, providing privacy for the primary suite and the 2 additional bedrooms. Both bathrooms are well appointed for ease of use. Relax on the tiled, screened-back porch overlooking upgraded landscaping. Don't miss this chance and make it yours.